Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Instinct E, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Garmin Connect application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Garmin Connect application on the phone that is paired with our watch. You know what? Before that, actually, let's close the app. I forgot to mention that we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the notifications to be sent to our watch. And if you don't have some required permissions enabled, usually you will see a notification from the Garmin Connect application that the access is required, and you can tap on this notification. It will bring you to some menu and you can allow the notification. But you may not see this notification, sometimes they don't pop up. And to make sure we have the all required permissions allowed, we need to do a couple things. First thing we need to do is to press and hold on the Garmin Connect icon, tap on App Info, and here we can tap on Permissions. And now we need to find the permissions like call log, contacts, and phone, and also SMS. Although I'm not sure contacts is required. Now, for sure we need call logs, a phone, and SMS. And to allow them, tap on one, tap on allow, then do the same for the other ones. So phone and SMS. Okay, and once you allow the permissions, you can close this page for now. And other thing we need to enable is the notification access. So we need to open the settings on our phone, find the option called apps and tap on it, then special app access, and here we need to find the option called device and app notifications or notification access. It might be called differently. Tap on this option, then you will see the list of applications. You need to find the Connect app, tap on it, enable the notification access, and once you enable it, tap on allow to basically tick on the option. And once you tick it on, you can close the settings, and now we can open the Connect application on our phone, tap on more, tap on Garmin devices, and here we can select our Instinct E from the list of devices. Now find the option called notifications and alerts, tap on smart notifications, and here we can customize the settings for our notifications, and we can turn them on, off, or rather on and off. Then we can also customize how the notifications behave during the general use and during activity. So basically when you're recording activity like running, cycling, and stuff like that. Let's tap on general use. Here we can turn them on or off. And we have also types of notifications. We have calls, texts, apps, and we can customize how the watch behaves when you receive the notification from certain type of notifications. I'm gonna enable everything for all of them, but you can customize it to your liking. You can turn them off, you can turn on or off the vibration and sound. And once you deal with the notification types, you will see the privacy option, and here you can select press GPS or wrist gesture. Basically this option, if it's enabled, it will obscure the content of the notification, and to reveal it you will need to either press the GPS button or perform the wrist gesture. And the last option is timeout, and basically here you can select how long the notifications stay on the screen when you receive them. You have 30 seconds, 1 minute, and 3 minutes. Select the option you like. Then go to during activity and do the same thing. So turn them on or off and customize the notifications to your liking, each type of notifications basically. Okay. And once you're done customizing the settings, go back to the main page, this one, to page of settings, sync the devices together to apply the settings, and now you should be able to receive the notifications on your watch. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord, and it should pop up on our watch. So let's type it in, send. And as you can see, we got the notification on our phone and also on our watch, which means it is working. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.